Hey, just listening to the wind outside. Reminded me of a song written by Bob McDill. It was recorded by Don Williams and released in, I think it was 1980. It's called Good Old Boys Like Me. When I was a kid, Uncle Remus would put me to bed. Picture of Stonewall Jackson above my head. And then Daddy came in to kiss his little man, with gin on his breath and a Bible in his hand. He'd talk about honor and things I should know, stagger a little as he went out the door. I can still hear the soft southern winds in the live oak trees. And those Williams boys, they still mean a lot to me. Hank in Tennessee, I guess we're all gonna be what we're gonna be. What'll you do with good old boys like me? Nothing makes the sound in the night like the wind does. But you ain't afraid if you're washed in the blood like I was. Smell of cage jasmine through the window screen. John R. and the Wolfman kept me company by the light of the radio by my bed. Thomas Wolfe whispering in my head. I can still hear the soft southern winds in the live oak trees. And those Williams boys, they still mean a lot to me. In Tennessee, I guess we're all gonna be what we're gonna be. What'll you do with good old boys like me? When I was in school, I ran with a kid down the street. Watched him burn himself up on bourbon and speed. I was smarter than most, and I could choose. I learned to talk like a man on the 6 o'clock news. When I was 18, well, I hit the road, but it really doesn't matter how far I go. I can still hear the soft southern winds in the live oak trees. And those Williams boys, they still mean a lot to me. Hank in Tennessee, I guess we're all gonna be what we're gonna be. So what'll you do with good old boys like me? Yeah, what'll you do with good old boys like me? Have a good night.